Welcome back. Another important tip from my side, but it is not much important. Okay, let me show you how can I control drop-down history or delete in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, generally you will have when you open multiple times with the same data, you will have a drop-down history. Okay, let's try to check on the SAP system quickly. So, for example, if I say so, okay, let's go to BA01 simple transaction. Probably like we might have entered. See here, only one customer I used. No problem, that is fine. So let's take the material. You will have all these are different materials. For example, manually, if I want to delete it, I can delete like this. Okay, from my keyboard by deleting this one. So just assume that you have a history of many materials. You don't want certain times you will have a. You don't want to save the history. Okay, such a case, what you can able to do is okay, simply go to the options. Okay, here let's come here. Local data. Here history is there, right? Okay. So history status is on now. Certain times it is immediate, on, history status off. Okay. Here you can able to see like if it is on, then when it's supposed to be expired, it just stays away for 3 months. Okay. You don't want it immediately. You don't want to track the history. Then click on off actually. Okay. Once you off, say apply and say okay. Okay, now let's try to create a new order. Okay, now you don't have history. Okay, so now you need to enter by searching like this only, otherwise you have to make a note it down somewhere. Correct. So where it is this, even I forgotten a customer number. I need to search in tables otherwise. Okay, so let's try to check. Okay, so let's take this customer. Okay, so now you have to search only. You cannot able to enter manually on your one. So now if you take the material also, it is not coming. You have to search and you take it. So this is how you can able to make it on and off the history. That's all for today. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. If you really like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.